Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Chrome up to date, Emily installed, and you're signed in. First, enable the extension and grant permissions for tabs, clipboard, and local storage so Emily can interact with pages. Once done, navigate to the page you want to work on, click the Emily icon in the toolbar, and choose the initial mode, capture, annotate, or summarize. This gets the extension active and ready to collect data. Make sure permissions remain enabled to avoid interruptions during the next steps. Now you'll perform the core actions. Start by choosing exactly what to capture: full page, visible area, or a custom region. Use the hotkeys to speed this up. After capture, switch to annotate mode to add highlights, arrows, and text. Pick color and stroke thickness for legibility. Then leverage Emily's advanced tools. Run auto-summarize to generate concise notes, export the result to PDF or Markdown, or save to a named workspace. These steps turn raw captures into shareable, organized outputs efficiently. To finish, give your capture a clear name, pick the destination folder or workspace, and choose an export format like PDF or Markdown before confirming save or share. Once saved, verify Cloud Sync is enabled so your items appear on other devices. This avoids duplication or loss. If something goes wrong, captures fail, exports hang, or annotations disappear, first reload the extension and clear Chrome cache. Next, regrant permissions in Chrome//extensions. If that doesn't fix it, restart the browser and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.